Some turns are essential. Some turns are just for fun. And some turns are game changer. They change the world in every round. Introducing Rownd, the future of CNC lathe technology. It's a revolution unlike anything you've seen before. Rownd brings your creative vision to life. It's a world where your needs, your imagination, and your style blend seamlessly. Rownd transforms materials into top-notch products quickly and efficiently. Unlocks new dimensions of your imagination. No need for large spaces. It's nothing like a bulky industrial lathe. The small and compact structure allows you to improve your creativity anywhere. Take the fun to the next level with the wireless Gamepad controller. With the Rownd mobile app, every turn is at your fingertips. Choose one of the pre-made designs from the ever-growing library, or you can design anything you desire from scratch. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Rownd is the perfect companion for your 3D printer. It's an essential addition to your workshop setup. Discover the power of Rownd CNC Mode, the ultimate tool for precision machining. Experience seamless compatibility with every CAM software. Rownd features a universal interface that allows for easy integration of optional add-ons. With a laser engraver, add final touches to your products. It supports 4-axis capability with the Spindle, enabling you to explore new dimensions of machining. With the option of an automatic tool changer, you can complete the entire production process in a single run. It gives high-quality results with great precision. Compact yet durable, it's crafted from a single piece of the 7000 series aluminum. This monoblock design minimizes overall tolerances. The hardened linear guides operate with zero clearance. The double conical bearing eliminates any wobbling in the rotation of the chuck. Long-lasting, easy maintenance. The machining precision and repeatability tolerance are 20 microns. All of these make Rownd the ideal choice for the products that demand accuracy and precision. Your safety is our priority. The transparent front cover allows you to witness the magic in action, while the system automatically stops when open. Unlike the industrial lathes, it allows for a clean workspace. Simply empty the tray with ease. We believe it's a great time for creators, makers, and innovators all around the world. Now we're all secretly itching for unique, customized products. While there are many other lathes on the market, yet the ones for professionals are very expensive, and manual ones require expertise to use. That's why we call it revolutionary. Rownd is here to solve all these problems, to break the barriers, and redefine what's possible. This is why we've come up with Rownd. It gives everyone a chance to make their own products in an easy, affordable, and fun way. Remember, this is the turn that is all. Essential, innovative, and fun. This would be a turning point in your creative journey. Why just be a consumer when you have a chance to be a great maker? Now it's your turn to design, to create, to have fun with Rownd.